Jack, like we wanted this, and then send him the location. No, actually, put the GPS on your phone. He gonna have to be following around. He's gonna be like, where are we going? I'm gonna tell nigga I gotta make a stop. We gotta pick up something.
So we about to go to Lansing. But I told this man right here, who you about to I'm about to strangle you in the bando and leave your body there. And what you about to do?
Yo. I ain't about to do nothing, yo. You'll just see. You'll see.
No. Alright. Choking that nigga. Bro, there's so much snow right now. Okay, so as you can see, hella snow. It's pretty cold. Oh, where is it? That water tower. We'll be climbing it. So my battery isn't supercharged at the moment, but we're gonna have to make it work. But yeah, the opening's still here, so I want to see. With Jack and them. Oh, there's no one in here. This is the only way in. There's no foot tracks. What is these foot tracks? Are these dog foot tracks? Boys, there might be a dog in here. Look at the only foot tracks going in here. You think it's coming? And I don't see any in here, which means it's probably over there somewhere. That is true. That is true.
What the fuck is that? What's that behind you? Right here.
Those aren't turds. That's like some.
It's literally creating ground icicles.
So the main plan to come in here is climb the water tower. I don't have a GoPro. I'm hoping on getting one Friday, but watch this wood. Don't walk on that shit. But yeah, I don't really know how I'm gonna record this super well, so it might be shaky, whatever. But shit, you know the deal. Alright, my camera doesn't want to go on my head. These stairs are all like covered in ice, at least the first couple. Turn y'all lights on.
I'm excited. Step on the rocks and you get some type of action. Step on the rocks to get you.
Don't tell me what to do with my life,
I'm just
young
saying,
man.
I ain't trying to see y'all just fall asleep. It's a fucking stairs.
I'm even for me. Put the 10 back.
I ain't falling.
Were you thinking about getting in that room? Fuck them. I don't give a fuck. We're too deep. We're about to climb the water tower. We're deep. Huh? Yeah, I did. I don't think it's that deep. So yeah, here's the stairs. I've never been in this area. What the fuck?
Oh, that's a giant asshole.
Yeah, so
That's the hole that we were just under.
I'm honestly not sure how I'm about to edit and format this whole video. We are finna see. I've like been here before and stuff, but I've never filmed a video here, so I think I'm gonna find somewhere for my intro and get it poppin'. I'll be there.
Like, sure, it might cave in, like, at some point, and then at that point, it's unlucky GG.
That's why I be saying, like, if I get killed in the bando collapse, it was just my time to go. It was kind of steep. That's how I'll be feeling about it. don't know what the fuck this is, but if y'all know what it is in the comments, let me know. I'm thinking this is a car. This ain't an oil filter. Fuck no.
That shit look like a speaker.
You think this look like a speaker? Alright, the stairs are in here. I'm not about to record us walking up the stairs because it's raining my fucking shit. But as you can see, this is the stairs, so we gonna go up. Yeah. Yo, this smells like shit. Hug it. I didn't do it. Yeah. I mean, who the fuck's gonna snitch? That's what I'm saying. I don't know how I'm about to record this shit. Oh, we got a worker moving around down there. That's why I wanted it to be darker. No cap. But fuck it.
You wanna wait for it a second till like the sun gets a little bit more down?
It's probably gonna get steep. Like it's cold.
Oh fuck.
Be careful with your feet, boy.
I know what you're thinking. Pop the natty now, I can't stop blinking. Get pipe, get ready for the weekend. All the emotions come out on the weekend. With my double cup, with my double cup. Coming at me, but I've already had enough of you. I think that I've had enough.
Bro, we're fucking going for this one.
Let me run this up, let me
Niggas climb the fucking water tower, bro.
Baby, I don't wanna fall in love with you. I don't wanna fall in love. Sometimes I feel like I need a break. They can't do what I've been doing, so they go and hate. I really feel like all this music is my only fate. I'm packing all this fucking heat like my name's Johnny Tank. Yeah, it's all night, all day. Take me how you want, you can take me anyway. I'll be with you by your side, I'll be here to stay.
So yeah, we're gonna get down for feds come. So we could have got to the main spot, but up there, it's a different mission. There's holes all in that shit. So we just went to that little middle spot right here. Got my boy Bezo climbing down that bitch. Fucking goated for that one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bezo, yeah. Yeah, boy. Goated activity.
If I had some gloves, I might have seen. Shout out Kid Cupid. Look me up on Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I'm on it all.
We all make music. Shout out boy Kid Cupid. Shout out boy Cuddy. Shout out boy Bezo. And shout out Lord Lonnie. You already know the deal, nigga. You already know the fucking deal. Shout out Cuddy boy D, nigga. Fucking drop tape, nigga. Go listen to Knuckles right now. Streaming right fucking now. No cap, guys. This shit was probably one of the most goated activities I fucking did, dog. Climb a fucking water tower. I have not done like shit like that in so fucking long. This is the most goated activity I swear I've ever done. And like, that shit was fucking crazy. Maybe one day I'll go to the top, but the top is kind of sus and I don't really want to do it in the winter when it's all slippery, breaking, ice, and all that shit. Yeah, we climbed that bitch. I'll let y'all know if anything happens on the way back. But, how high would you say that we climbed, bro? From the ground. You think it was a 500 foot? You think it was a 500 foot drop? That thing all the way to the ground. So we'll just say 500 feet we climbed. So hell yeah. But anyways, anything happen, I got y'all. If y'all like that video, let me know in the comments. Comments however you feel about it. Hate, love, I don't give a fuck. But anyway, share this shit with a friend and subscribe. But that was climbing that shit back there. And yeah, we about to go home. Gonna go edit this shit, see how it turns out. Follow my social medias here. I'll see y'all boys.